Hello everyone, this is Mr. Molo with the directions for your activity on this distance learning day. So in Schoology it says there's an assignment there for you. Students will drive the robot to their birthday, starting with the month and then the date and then the year. Take a screenshot and then submit it right there to that assignment in Schoology. So what that means is after you go to the coding website, it looks like this. So you're going to go to select playground and you're going to load the one that says number grid map. So once this loads, so normally we say our birthday, we say the month first, and then the date, and then the year. So that's the order you're going to go in. Make sure that your pen is moved down, so it's right here in this purple, so I can see where you're moving. Don't just show me send me a screenshot of a robot on 8 because you were born in 2008. Show me the whole path that it takes to go around the robot to get to your date. So you're in luck if your birthday was June 18th, because that's when my birthday is. I only did June and 18th. I didn't do the year because I didn't want to do the whole thing for you. And then you would know how old I am, and I don't want that to happen either. So if I press play here, it'll turn. My pen is down, so you'll see a trail. So it'll go from 6, because I'm born in June, turn, and then go to the 18, because I'm born on June 18th. So your robot will continue to do 2000 and whatever year you were born, 2007, 2008, so 2008, 2007, whichever one would be the case. And then take a screenshot with the trail so that we know then your birthday looking at the trail.